The neck is often the first place to show signs of aging in many men and women. People notice excess skin, fat, and muscle as they age. But there's a surgery that can address the aging neck. Here with more this morning is Dr. Kundaria with Nuance Facial Plastics, along with one of his patients, Kathy Buckley. Good morning to both of you. Thank you so much for being here today.
Thanks for having us.
Kathy, we'll get to your story in just a moment. But Dr. Kundaria, I want to start with you. What happens to our necks as we age? I mean, it is often a thing that I hear so many people as they get older complain about, like, oh, I've got this droopy neck. What's going on?
You know, it's a very personal thing. I think it generally has to deal with the relaxation of the tissues that are holding things up. And so things tend to fall down and towards the middle. And you know, we're all kind of born different, and some of us have more fat, more skin, more muscle, and so everyone's pretty unique as far as their neck goes, which is why I find them so interesting.
Okay, so there is a procedure called a neck lift.
Yeah.
Can you tell us more about this?
Absolutely. So, you know, it involves surgically repositioning the muscles, the fat, and kind of sculpting it to go from a more aged or more relaxed position to a higher, more youthful position.
Sort of it gets tighter, right?
Yeah.
A lot of your patients choose to do a neck lift along with some other procedures too, correct?
Sure, yeah, and you know, most often combined with a facelift, but you can do a neck lift kind of in isolation of a facelift as well, and it really just depends on whatever the patient sees in the mirror, you know?
Okay, well, Kathy here, you've had a neck lift. You sent us a picture from when you were younger. This is when you got married. Okay.
I was 32 then.
32 years old. And the point being that your neck, you wanted to show, you know, what it looked like on your wedding day. You say the neck issue for you is a hereditary thing.
Yes. Yes, that was my dad. Well, there's my husband. My dad, you can see that picture at the wedding, he's got this great big neck. And the older I get, the more the neck was pronounced. And my job at Charlotte Living Magazine, I'm constantly going to events and getting my picture taken, and it was just horrible. I was completely self-conscious about pictures.
I know that's a hard thing, right,
yes.
to feel that way.
And it just kept getting worse, and even in my dad's latest years, as old as he was, his neck was had a lot of extra skin, and I just wanted to get rid of it.
There's you and Dad right there. Okay, so why did you want to have a neck lift?
Because all I could ever see was this huge amount of skin. And that's all I would see in the mirror, also my eyes, which is another issue. But being in pictures, I hated it, and I looked really old.
Okay, we see that picture of you right there before your neck lift.
Yeah.
Let's take a look at the before and after, because I want to ask you how you feel about your results.
Great.
Here we go. Look at that. Dr. Kundaria, man, you're the man. You do beautiful work. You're so good.
Magic.
As long as I keep getting the most reasonable patients.
Oh, my gosh. So, Kathy, how do you feel about your results?
But I just look so much younger, and I don't feel, I mean, here I am on TV. I would never be in a picture before, but I'm okay, and I don't focus on my problem.
Now you're like, oh, I want to be seen. I'm ready to be on TV. Take my picture. Go ahead.
Yeah.
You look amazing.
Well, thank you. It was a great decision, the best decision.
Do you feel different? Do you think you carry
It's
yourself
the truth.
differently?
I do.
Who's a good candidate for this?
So, anybody that sees something that they are not happy with related to their neck in the mirror is worth, you know, coming in and having a chat, because you know, there might be something simple or something more involved that can help them. And you go from the place where Kathy started, where first time we met, she said, I'm avoiding getting my picture taken, to now, you know, going out and enjoying what you enjoy.
Yeah.
To now being on television. Yeah. What would you say, Kathy, to people who are listening to this morning and they're bothered by the appearance of their neck?
I would just say it was a great decision, and it really does help you feel more confident. And my job depends on me being out in front and talking to people and not being self-conscious. So if you can do it, go for it, because it's very life-changing, actually.
And I know you love this doctor.
I
and
do.
You love their office. I know.
Well, he just was a joy. He was right engaged every step of the way, and that gave me a lot of confidence and comfort.
Yeah.
And the procedure went great, so
I'm
glad
so
to tell
glad
about it.
I'm so glad. Well, call Nuance Facial Plastics for your complimentary consultation. The number is 704-593-6802. 704 593-6802. If you book your consultation before June 25th and mention Charlotte today, you'll receive a $1,000 discount off the neck lift surgery. Save $1,000. You can also visit their website for more information. Here it is on the screen, nuancefacialplastics.com, nuancefacialplastics.com. You can go there to find out more about Dr. Kundaria and his practice, see some other before and after pictures. Excellent work. Nice to see you.
Thanks.
Girl, you got to go be seen. I'm glad you're here.
Thanks
You look
for having
amazing.
me.
You look
Thank
great.
you.